How to remove phone number from Discord account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to remove phone number from Discord. To do this, you want to first of all open your Discord application and log in to your account. As logged in, this is how the interface will look. Click on the U button from the right hand side corner of your screen. After which, you want to click on the gear icon from the top right hand side corner. After the account settings, underneath the account settings, you want to click on accounts. As you click on accounts, you want to make sure before you remove your phone number that you already have an alternative contact info, that is whether an added email address or a secondary phone number. So here you want to go ahead and click on the phone number since I haven't added one. But then what you could do is just go ahead and simply add in the phone number for now and click the next button. After which you need to confirm it. So this is just the procedure on how you could add. You could skip this part as well. So after you're done verifying your phone number, then you'll be able to find this option as remove phone number or add a phone number. So you could go ahead and follow on any of these procedure, and that way you'll be able to remove phone number from Discord. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.